In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload custom fonts and add logos to your Canva brand kit. First, open your browser and head to canva.com. If you're not already signed in, log in with your account so you can access your workspace. Once you're in, look at the left-hand panel on the home screen. Find and click Brand Kit. A quick heads up. Brand Kit is a feature for Canva Pro users, so if you don't see it, you may be on the free plan. If you do have access, this is where you'll centralize your branding for faster, more consistent design work. Inside Brand Kit, you'll see sections for your logos, colors, and fonts. Let's start with logos. Click Logos, then click Add Logos. Choose the files from your computer and let them upload. Keeping your logos here ensures they're always at your fingertips inside the editor, so you don't have to hunt for files every time you start a new design. Next, let's upload your custom font. Scroll down to the Uploaded Fonts section and click Upload a Font. A file picker will open. Choose the font file from your computer. Canva supports .ttf, OTF, and .gwf formats, which are the most common font types. If your font came in a zip folder, make sure to unzip it first. If you have multiple weights or styles, like regular, bold, or italic, upload each file so they all appear in your editor. After you've selected the file, Canva will ask you to confirm. Click Yes, Upload to proceed. That's it. Your font is now added to the brand kit and will be available in the text editor across your designs. When you create or open a design, click any text box, open the font drop-down, and you'll see your uploaded font listed with your brand fonts. If you don't see it right away, refresh the page and check again. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure you have the right to use the font in your projects. Some fonts require a license for commercial use. If an upload fails, double-check the file type and try a different format if available. Clear, consistent file names, like Your Font Regular and Your Font Bold, will also help you keep everything organized. And that's the process. You've added your logos and uploaded your custom font to your Canva brand kit, so your brand assets are ready whenever creativity strikes.